Good morning, everyone. First, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ivy Dasco Oreño, 22 years old and a student of Camarines Northeast State College. Currently taking a Bachelor of Science of Civil Engineering, and this is my assignment for Highway and Railroad Engineering. We are given a task to present the traffic issues that we are experiencing or we encounter as we go to school every day. Indicated here in my presentation is my address, location of my school, and the mode of transportation that I take every day. So, transportation, Paracale to CNSC. Paracale, a municipality in Camarines Norte, known as Paracale Gold Town. Um, a brief information of Paracale is that the primary income source of a Paracaleño, as stated, it's gold town, so it's mining. Oh, I live in Tawig, Paracali, Camarines Norte. Tawig is one of the barangay that can be found in the municipality of Paracale. Next slide, Daet. Daet is capital municipality of Camarines Norte. The distance from Paracali to Daet is like 34.6 kilometers. It's kind of far. Um, it Daet can be found on Region 5, Bicol region. So next is I am currently studying at Camarines Norte State College, and its location is Stall 8, CNSC Commercial Building, FM Mental Avenue, Diet 4600, Camarines Norte. Terminals, loading and unloading stations. The Paracari terminal can be found at Barangay Tugus, Paracali, Camarines Norte. It's a bit far from our home, from our house. Like it's like a 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes ba? Like that. So from Paracale, to that, from Paracale, the unloading station in Daet is in is in Central Plaza Mall. Its location is Binson's Avenue, Daet, Camarines Norte. Then sa terminal naman ng Daet, indicated naman dito na yung terminal ng Daet or also known as Daet Integrated Terminal, dito matatagpuan naman yung mga biyaheng Papanganiban, Paracale, Banyon, may biyaheng Labo, mayroong mga jeep papuntang Talisay, Mercedes, yun. So next slide, traffic issues. Sa ngayon po, marami pong ginagawang kalsada along Tawig, Tugos, Paracale. Kaya maraming stop kasi kailangang magbigayan ng mga sasakyan sa pagdaan. Ganon din po sa linyada ng Labo, Talubatib Road. May mga roadworks. And sa Talubatib naman, inaayos po yung sa may roundabout along Paracale, Panganiban, Labo, and yung daan papuntang Manila. So, here are some documentation that I took. As you can see, maraming sign na nagsasaad na may incoming roadworks or dapat tumigil pansamantala. Before ayusin ang mga yan, nagkakaroon pa rin ng mga traffic issues since hindi maayos yung daan. May mga pangyayari na kung saan may naaksidente dahil sa mga lubak. Lubak. Meron akong natatandaan na kung saan merong nasemplang dahil merong merong malaking butas dun sa may daan ah, sa may Nico part. And siyempre, kaya kailangan minsan merong sign dun na kailangang magdahan-dahan, eh. Kasi nga hindi lang naman sa mga roadworks nagkakaroon ng issues. Minsan 'pag may aksidente kailangan mo magdahan-dahan kasi nga ayun, baka maulit. So, ayan. Ito naman yung transportation, mode na I use everyday. So, as you can see, merong dilaw na linya. Ito yung tricycle. from dito sa bahay papunta sa terminal, gumagamit ako ng tricycle. Kasi nga kailangan pumunta sa terminal para makasakay kasi nga hindi gano'n ka-ano yung pagtawag sa dispatcher kasi minsan wala yung dispatcher sa van, so kailangan mo pumunta. So, itong red line, ito yung, ang mode of transportation ko dito is van, UV Express. Since medyo mainit ngayon, medyo mainit ngayon, kailangan hindi ka haggard pagdating mo sa school. So, yun. So, van. And ang stop po namin dito ay by the way, meron kang makikita talaga dito na ano, may sign ng roadworks kasi diyan nga yung sa ginagawa papunta naman sa Daet na nga. So, dun sa van, sa linya na puti, ay puti, yung red na yan, yan yung ah, mode of transportation na van. Tapos mag-a-unload siya dun sa tinukoy ko kanina na sa may Central Plaza Mall. Dun naman may mga hilera na dong mga tricycle. Kaya matik na 'pag pagbaba ko ng Central Plaza Mall, ah, mat mags magsasakay naman ako tricycle papuntang Camarines Norte State College na nakalagay na yung orange diyan, Central Plaza to Camarines Norte State College. So, yeah, there are a lot of issues that I experienced na nagde-delay ng arrival time ko sa school. And actually, it's not only about the roadworks. There are many possible issues that can cause traffic. So, yung mga roadworks na yan or pag-aayos na yan, isa lang yan siguro sa way para mabawasan yung traffic na nararanasan natin. Uh, so, yes. Thank you.